Hey guys, so this video I'd like to talk about why this has happened. Like, we'll see you soon. Close beta drops are no longer happening. That means if you get a drop, like if you get a Twitch drop and you cannot install, you came to this server and it said, we'll see you soon. Close beta drops are no longer happening. So that means they just stop dropping beta keys, so you cannot download closed beta now. They're going to launch at June, so beginning of the June you can download the open beta. That include battle pass, I guess. So that's gonna be fun. That's gonna be really awesome. I'm looking forward to see it. Yeah, that's basically it. All you have to do just wait 5 days, 6 days. So yeah, it will come up next Monday, so just a week. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching.